Hi guys, welcome to today's class. First, we're going to see what day is today. So today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. Remember, we put first the day of the week, then the month, the day, and the year. So today we're going to learn about the weather. The weather vocabulary is windy, that is when there is a lot of air, like and stuff and like that. Hot, when there is the sun and it's very hot. I'm hot. Sunny, when we can see the sun and the sun is very bright, el sol brilla mucho. Stormy, yeah, there are lightning and boom. You can, ¿saben? And cold. Cold, like this weather. Today is cold. Cloudy, when we cannot see the sun. We don't see the sun. Here's the sun, and this one a cloud, and we cannot see that. Snowy, when snow comes down from the sky, cuando la nieve cae del cielo. It's snowy. And rainy, that is when the sky is crying, cuando el cielo está llorando. Rainy. We need our rainy boots, nuestras botas de lluvia. And that is the weather vocabulary. So think in mind that we have windy, hot, sunny, stormy, cold, cloudy, snowy, and rainy. We're going to do 3 activities. First, we're going to do a crossword. We're going to see the picture and answer the crossword. For example, a cross. Remember, this is a cross and this is down. So number 2, a cross. It's I think I'm seeing snow coming from the sky, so it's snowy. It's snowy. Okay. Number 3. Okay. Number 1 down. Number 1 down. I see the cloud crying, so maybe it's rainy. Rainy. And you're going to finish by yourself. Okay? The next one. It says, watch the word prognostic and complete the sentences. So we have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday weather. We're going to watch the weather. Okay, Monday is going to be like this, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay. And we're going to read the sentences. On Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday is going to be Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. I see that the weather is different, but all of the days are cold. So it's going to be cold all day. Okay. Then you better bring your coat on Tuesday. It will be Tuesday. Okay. It will be snowy because we can see the snow coming from the cloud. Okay, snowy and cold. Okay, the rest is on you guys. You're going to finish the rest. And finally, we're going to draw today's weather. Okay, I see from my window. You're going to your window, open it and see how is the weather. Or you can go outside and see how is the weather. Van a salir, van a ver por la ventana cómo está el clima el día de hoy. You're going to see it. Okay, I see the sun. Yeah, I see the sun. So I'm going to draw the sun. This is my house. And this is me. Okay, I see the sun. What else? I see a lot of wind. It's windy too. So I'm going to draw a lot of air. There are a little bit of clouds. It's not cloudy, but I can see some clouds. Okay, and sunny, and it's cold. I feel cold, so I'm going to draw the thermostatus. Voy a dibujar el termómetro and put it in cold. It's cold. Okay, you're going to do it better. Lo van a hacer ustedes mejor, and you're going to show it to me tomorrow. And that will be all of the class. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day. See you tomorrow.